Right-click on an object you want to turn into an asset in the outliner and choose Mark as Asset. Now it appears in the Asset browser under Current File. If you want, you can give it a custom thumbnail. You can also add the author and, for example, the license type in the description. If the asset contains textures, enable Automatically Pack Resources. Save the blend file containing the asset in a relevant folder. In Preferences, add that folder to File Paths Asset Libraries if you haven't already. Give the asset library a name in the field next to the file path. Those asset libraries are then listed in the drop-down menu of the Asset browser, including the assets from the files that you saved in those folders. Now you can drag and drop the asset to your scene.